Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I've got a PRV letting by on one of 3 boilers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate the unit with the 40 PRV until it can be repaired, until the PRV can be changed and certain other related issues that are causing the PRV to let by, such as the shunt pump being faulty. Going to start by shutting off my pump. Okay, the inverter is off to the pump and the pump is no longer running. Just got to make sure the other pump is also off before isolating the valves. Going to turn off my boilers. Now my boiler shunt pumps have gone off, so that's good. Ready to isolate the isolation valves. Going to shut the individual isolation valves behind the boilers off. I have shut off the isolation valve on the 40 PRV already, but it looks like those isolation valves are letting by. So I'm going to shut off the isolation valves to the boilers as well to just prevent the amount of water that I have to deal with in the drain down. Okay, isolating main flow and return. I have to also shut off the pressurization unit, which is on a constant fill. Okay, this valve is off. Boy, these valves aren't easy, are they? Sometimes you need to even get your stillies on them a bit. Now I've got to isolate this valve as well. So isolating the flow and return, main flow and return to the boilers. This valve is a lot more forgiving. You just have to mark what setting it is on. Even this valve is giving me trouble, so the stillies are going on it. Okay, that's now off. And then any valves connected, any bypasses, any other draw-offs inside those isolation valves to the boilers need to also be isolated. I also marked the position they were at. And we have 2 more valves that are within where the isolation valves are, so they need to be isolated as well. Well, I'll go ever so gentle with these. It's not budging with my hand strength, so I'm having to use my stillies, but ever so gentle because we don't want to break these gate valves. So when it comes to a stop, I'm not going to go any further. Okay, they're both off. System pressure there. Not sure if this gauge is working. Got our system temperature there. Not sure if how accurate this is, but it's probably right. Okay, I'm going to use the 40 PRV to assist me in my drain down. Doesn't appear to be that much pressure there, but I'm going to open up another point to just be sure to vent it. Warning notice left on the appliance, and then a warning notice written out and given to the customer to do not use the appliance. Okay, time to get my system back on. Thank you for joining me. Please leave comments in the section below. Until next time.